morning, my friends. So, today we're going to do a craft. And because it's spring, and when I wake up in the morning, I listen when it's quiet. I open my back door and I go in my yard and I hear birds chirping. And so I thought I would feed the birds today. So, I definitely had toilet paper roll at my house that I saved for a craft, just like this one. And then you're gonna need some peanut butter. Everybody has that. And then when I went to Publix, I bought some bird seed, some wild bird seed. If you don't have bird seed, maybe you can use some cereal. It'll work too. So, and then I found a ribbon. I was looking for a string or a ribbon, and I had this one. Then I'm going to need some safety scissors. And I took a knife, but it's the kind that's not sharp. I'm looking for spreading. Perfect for this project. So the first thing I'm going to do, don't forget, is put my ribbon through, oh there it is, I can pull it, my toilet paper roll. And then I'm going to tie a knot over, through, pull it a little bit, and then do that again. Make a really nice knot. See? Okay, so I'm just about ready. Pull tight. Look, I can hang this on a tree, a little branch. I can even put it on my fence in my yard. That'll work. Whatever you choose. You can go for a walk and find a nice tree with a branch as well. Alright, so you guessed it, we're going to put peanut butter all over the toilet paper roll, and then we're going to roll it and dip it in the bird seeds, and those bird seeds are going to get all over that sticky peanut butter. So, I'm going to open my peanut butter, scoop it out. If you get messy, if you get it on your hands, it's okay. So I'm going to smear this peanut butter all over. Not going to add jelly, just peanut butter. Turn it around. Make sure you really push. Smear it on. You know, I was also thinking, do you know who else is going to really like this? Maybe there's a little squirrel in your yard or on that tree that you find. He would love this little bushy-tailed squirrel. Okay. There you go. So now the next part. Here's my seeds. I poured them from the bag into my little pan. And if I get any on my fingers, I'm okay with that. Sometimes our projects are a little messy. I could even sprinkle it. Oh, that works.